Hi everybody, it's Brett here again from Real Response, and what we're going to be going through today is looking at your wound packing. So we're coming to you from our warehouse up here in Sydney, so sorry about the mess, but today's lesson is going to get a little bit messy with a bit of blood on the floor, so they wouldn't let us up into the boardroom, okay, with the carpet. What we're going to be looking at is, so last week we touched on tourniquets, and we looked at a way we could stop a catastrophic bleed by essentially compressing that artery, those muscles, that tissues against the bone, okay, and switching off that tap. Unfortunately, not all wounds are going to allow us to put a tourniquet on, so we have to have alternative methods to be able to control that catastrophic hemorrhage. So some common areas that you might find that we're not going to be able to put a tourniquet on are going to be your junctional bleeds. Okay, so your junctional bleeds usually consist of ones in your groin, up in your armpit, and then up in your neck too.